This is called PrintGRIP, or this is a fantastic alternative to applying a water-based adhesive. We use a single strip of the PrintGRIP in its place. If you're printing on a standard cotton shirt, it works just as well as water-based adhesive. But when you end up going to a more fashion-like product that may have a silicone coating or another coating in order to create an extra softness in that fabric, that kind of fabric doesn't want to stick to water-based glue very well. In our testing, we got nearly double the amount of shirts per run before we had to apply water and scrub off the lint, just like you do with standard water-based adhesive. This is a great alternative for those who are looking for a solution to grab onto those more challenging substrates to get a longer run out of them. And again, as a single stop solution for all your garments.